In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a Pandadoc template. Start by opening Pandadoc and looking at the left navigation menu. Find Templates and click it. This area is where you create and organize reusable documents. Once you are on the Templates page, click the button for adding a new template, labeled plus template. This begins the template creation process. Next, you will be asked what type of template you want to create. Select Template. If you already have a document that is close to what you need, you can use an existing one as your starting point. Using an existing template can save time and also helps keep your branding and formatting consistent. After you select your option, you will be taken into the template editor. Now you will set up signing roles. Roles let Pandadoc know who needs to fill out or sign specific fields. On the right side of the editor, find the Manage Roles option and click it. In the role name field, type a clear role name, such as Signer, so it is easy to recognize later when you assign fields. Then click Create Role. If you use multiple signers in other workflows, choose role names that are specific and consistent. With your role created, you can start building the layout. In the right sidebar, locate the text block element. Click and drag the text block onto the page where you want it. Use this area for instructions, headings, or any standard wording you want to appear every time this template is used. Keep the text clean and easy to scan, since templates are meant to be reused. Finally, add the signature area. In that same right sidebar, find the signature field. Drag it onto the page where the signer should sign. After placing it, make sure the signature field is assigned to the role you created, such as singer. This assignment is important because it ensures the correct person is prompted to sign when the template is used to create a document. Once the text and signature field are in place and assigned correctly, your basic Pandadoc template setup is complete. And that covers everything you need to know.